Welcome back, friends. This is episode 4 of Learning to Trade the Stock Market. In previous episodes, we talked about the general ideas of the stock market, where to open an account, and in our last episode, we bought shares of stock. So, if you remember, we bought 2 shares of a $5 stock, and now it's going up. Let's assume your $5 stock is now at $6. What do? How do we make our money? How do we get out of the trade? Well, it's very easy. Just like we bought the shares in the last episode, we're going to sell them. So if your 2 $5 shares are now worth $6 each, your $10 investment that you made in the last episode is now worth $12, right? And it's time to take a profit because you're happy with that profit. So how do we sell our shares? Well, it's easy. Just like we bought the shares in the last episode, we're going to sell them. Go back to your brokerage account, get on their platform, and simply select the shares or the position that you're in. Make sure you select the quantity that you want to sell. In this case, if you're selling all of your shares, just sell the 2 and press sell. Now, you'll recall there's 2 ways to buy a stock that's at the market or on a limit order. And you can do the same thing here. So if you're live watching in real time and you've watched the stock go up and it's at a price you're willing to sell at right now because you want to take your profits, simply sell all your shares at the market. After you click, within a second or 2, your shares will be converted back to a cash balance in your account, and your $5 shares that you bought at $5, 2 of them, you spent $10, they're now worth $6 a share. You're up to $12. As soon as you click sell, that'll be converted back to a cash balance. Your $10 investment has just become worth $12. That's a 20% profit. Well done. It's easy. In the next episode, we'll talk about how to sell with limit orders, and we're going to talk about trailing stops and stop losses as well. But congratulations, you've made your first trade and you made 20% on your shares of stock. We're learning to win here. If you want to learn more about strategies and how we safely trade and profit every day, copyandwin.com. That's where we do it. Thousands of subscribers. We win every day. Also, be sure you join my Discord. Love you.